checked our bags. It's time to go through TSA, and then we're on our way. First stop, Miami, and then I think we have a 1 hour layover, and then we're off to Jamaica. So yeah, I just have on a t-shirt, some shorts, some Vans, simple fit. And I just did my hair like at 2 in the morning. So I don't know if it came out that great. But anyways, I will be back once we go through TSA. Okay, y'all, so I just got to Miami. Huh? Where you see? Which way is it? I did it.
Oh, and the D39, I think so.
So So now we're about to go to the gate for our next flight to Jamaica. But man, yes, me hungry. But me no oh well. Everybody is tired. We've been in the line for like an hour so far. Now it seems to be moving faster, but like it was all these corners. I guess like 3 flights came in at the same time, so yeah. Hopefully this doesn't take any longer and we don't have to get tested.
I packed my cell phone. Went to my phone and was like, well, what the hell is my phone?
And what for them turn for wait? So we finally made it, y'all. We had to go through so much. Like, it took us a whole, like, almost 3 hours. And turns out now we have to quarantine for 14 days. So, you know how they allowed you to go grocery shopping at one point? Now you can't do that. You can't take public transportation. You have to be on quarantine for 14 days. We're staying for 17, so we have 3 days. But that's not including our flight days. So we only have 2 days to really go out. So I'm just over it because this is dumb as hell. Like, why would you invite these people into the country knowing that they gotta be on quarantine? This is a mess. And then if Uncle Chris see me, Uncle never come in company bus because they know the purpose I'm going to come to with it. Yeah, like, then you know, then yeah, that. I was driving coming in. But me just say, then I just come over here come
Doesn't get can carry a private.
up. Then the whole, huh? What do you do with the napkin then, mommy?
Take out one and give up.
Go to the first one, the one right there.
You want to see this?
Where? What is that? Doctor. Let's up.
What is this? Oh my god, so good.
Oh, you don't know where it's at. It's right there. It's right off this road. It's on the main strip. Trust me, like, they got the
Fanatics.
by Gem Palace.
Where?
Gem Palace. So if you want to talk, you know what you want. Yes, man. Where you drop off? Palace? Which one?
Alright, you guys, so we just got to Ocho Rios. I'm waiting for my uncle to go get his car so that we can put all our luggage in it because we have so much. But let's see, people are still out though doing stuff. It's nice. Okay. Island Grill.